Hi, Susie Valentine, and I wanted to share this wonderful product. It's the Pledge Enhancing Polish, and it smells fabulous. This is lemon flavor, and it's very easy to use. All you have to do is shake, spray, and polish. Now, you can use it two different ways. You can either put it for best results on the cloth and then polish, or you can spray it right onto the surface. It cleans wood and more, and you should do it about 6 to 8 inches away, and then just polish it. It's a really great product, and there's also some environmental facts. It's actually produced with more than 30% renewable energy, and it contains no petroleum products. So definitely recommend using this product if you want to give your wood a nice shine.